What's up, everyone? It's Mr. E with the Farmersville Engineering Academy. So there was some requests for us to show some of the brainstorming techniques that we use to get to the designs that we end up choosing. So I did want to show that we have these mobile whiteboards, super awesome. There's 4 sides. These can go up and down. This just allows us to, take the expos and get on these whiteboards. We'll also use Canva, and we'll allow the digital format to be done. One thing about this is it allows students that may not want to go up in a big giant group to kind of be in the background posting things up, and then we'll go through the process of the brainstorming. Just wanted to go through a few things. So when we go through the brainstorming, there's 2 big things. There's quality and then there's quantity, right? And these are really good to pay attention to because we want these things full. And so as you're doing the brainstorming right here, you're getting quality and quantity out of things. And one of the precursors that our students have for doing brainstorming is they're very good at FMEA. So they do a lot of failure mode thinking and the effects analysis. So that's what FMEA is. And that allows them, when they go to a brainstorming session, they're thinking in a couple different ways when they're putting things out there. So there's a mechanism in play when they're doing this, as far as they're wanting to keep ideas off, so then they have to force themselves to just throw all of the random brainstorming out, so that way they can build on something else that might be nested somewhere in their head. So precursor is the FMEA, then you get to the brainstorming, and then we'll take all of this brainstorming and we'll put it into a fishbone. And so when we get into that fishbone, we can really hone down what we're gonna do and take that fishbone and then take it into a process map, and then we're able to achieve that design. And in our lab, you can have 6 different solutions, and we have that right now for a few things on our robot. So you can have all these different solutions, but the kids are able to go through that new product design, but they start with that brainstorming because they have defined a problem. So that's one thing I just wanted to go back on, is defining what the actual problem is, right? Then they can start doing their random brainstorming. And if you have a background in FMEAs, it really drives this process. So that's a little insight. Then we'll take that and we'll start to condense. And when the kids are trained, they have a hard time not categorizing things for the brainstorming. So we have to take it back to the random, and we try to do that so that way they're not already categorizing their brainstorming, because that's the second step that we go to. Then we put it into a fishbone, and then we can do a process map, and then we can take off and do all the prototyping. So just wanted to give you an insight for our brainstorming. Have a great day.